Hello everyone. Today I'm here to present you a new topic, which is a new Python topic, which is variables, data types, and typecasting. So let's go to our Python website, Python IDLE. So here I type IDLE Python. It's a typo mistake. I think I gave a type of mistake. Okay, IDLE. So I just opened the IDLE of Python. So it just takes 2 minutes or 1 minute. I think I open one more time. So it's going out. So I just select new file. Then I place terminal and my notebook side by side. So in my topic, you see that there is I am discussing about the variables. So what is variables? Variables are that where we store in which I have a container where I can store some ingredients, some integers, floats, and strings values. So the first variable which I'm gonna show you about is integer. Variable is nothing, just a container where I can store my values. It's just like is var, like variable, where I can store integer number. Like integer are numbers and strings are alphabets. And Python, in Python, the default variable is set at as string. So just store 60 as an integer. And now I can print this 60 as a variable. So it shows me in my terminal. So I just save the file python to save. Oh yeah, you can see 60 is written on the terminal. The var variable save the value of 60 like integer, save the integer and print the value of 60 in my output. So if I can check the type of variable, what's the type of variable? So simply type on print and then just write this command, then hit the run button. Okay, then it shows me that class is int. Then after that there is three types of classes. There is there are three types of variables, like three types of data types. Sorry, variables are just a container where we store the data types variables. There are three types of data types. So I just comment out this, like I press control plus question mark to comment this. Okay. In ideally there's something error. uh, just give me a second. Comment out. Okay. And I just write this. and on this, so it automatically come in. So this code is not shown in my uh, after this code. So then I tap, there are two, I say there are three types of data type. First is integer, second one is float, third is string. Uh, the three data types where we are discussed in beginners level. There are another data types like double and all the float and all of that type, which we are discussed in our last video or in our intermediate level. So now I'm gonna show you that how you can. There are three types of data types. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how we can store variable in variable, the value of integer, string, and float, and and then I can print the type of variable. What's the type of variable? Either it's 60, like either it's integer, float, or string. Okay, then I can type var, like I type the name tr as an example, and then I can print, okay, sorry, type of variable. So I just run this up. Okay, it gives me an error. Oh, I got it. So I just comment out. Okay, then run it. Okay, then here you show that. Here this is show that the class is a string. Okay, then I can print variable of float 39 point, like I write 38.7. So it's a float. So I just print down the type of float. So then it shows the type. So you just say that what's the type of variable. Like I comment out this one first because it show if I don't comment out, it shows me an error like that. So I just comment out this comment out region. Okay, then I can just simply print the type of variable. So run run this command. Okay, then it shows me for float. Okay, then after that there is I discuss what is variable. First I discuss what is variable. Then I discuss three types of data type. Three types. Oh, I just typo mistake. Sorry. The three types of data types. First is integer, then second float, then string. Then after that, I type the type of string. It shows me a string, and then it shows me a float, and then on first I show the integer data type. So this is all done from today's lecture. So in next lecture I discuss what is list, what is dictionary, what is typecasting, and what's concatenation, and everything in next video. So today's this is all for that today. So thank you for your time. So if you like the video, so just comment down the video and like this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.